Hi everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. So we are on a local island in the Maldives, which is Dhigurah, and we're staying in this hotel, Tides Dhigurah. Hi guys, so this is a tour of the Tides Dhigurah, and you can see this is a garden area, very beautiful, and that's the kind of main entrance. And this is our room, and there's like a small place to sit. There's another tool. I see there's a fan here, and we have okay, so you have to be kind of careful here. And this is a small, like, room, but somehow it's very simple and I'm liking it. And you can see that this looks like a king bed, and this small area, and they have the mirror is there. There's like safety box, a fridge, and some storage shelf, and then there's the fan right there. Now let's take a look at the washroom. So the washroom looks like a renovated, and it looks new, or almost new, and very nice. But one thing, I see that the washroom is not outside, it's inside, which is good because you have the AC. And I see the rain shower right there. So I like the washroom, very clean, and there's even good space here. And basically this is our room here for three nights. Tides. Hey guys, so this is our first breakfast in Maldives. We are staying on a local island in Dhigurah, and the breakfast is included. So I'm just going to quickly show you what does the Maldivian breakfast look like. So we got fresh orange juice right here, and look at the watermelon. So there's watermelon here, and then we have toast, egg, and sausage, and there's water, and
I'm already
has the same thing. And actually we have coffee and coffee coming up. And I just wanted to show you, we got here, they have peanut butter, which is a brand we never seen before, and then there's dark chocolate. So, and there's jam. So we have this, so we're going to just combine this, and that's going to be our first breakfast on this island, Dhigurah. Hey guys, so just wanted to show you the second breakfast on local island Dhigurah, and it's a bit different today. So you see that we have tuna, and then there's the egg, and this is looks like chapati. It could be paratha, but very thin. And then look at the bananas, they're really small. And then we have water, juice, and walking lady already started eating.
Yeah.
And she has coffee. I'm gonna have coffee.
I think it's same taste. It's just that so a little bit spicy because of the green chili.
Oh, this
it has green chili. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but it tastes same like tuna.
Like what we do.
Oh, okay, at home.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And this is our breakfast area. And guys, look at these fans. They're running in full force. And this is the name of the hotel is Tides Dhigurah on Dhigurah local island in Maldives.